Hey, good morning. How are you? What's going on? All right, so welcome to today's topic, which is drinking cucumber water, the importance of it, and how to make it. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to make cucumber water and how to enjoy at least 12 ounces of water every single day. Okay? But first, come with me. Okay, so come this way and meet Canela. She's right here. Canela, say hello. All right, so here we go. Here are the benefits of drinking cucumber water. All right, cucumber water is not only a great substitute for those sugary vitamin waters that they sell, but if you're an athlete, this will be one of the replacements for that, and it will help you through the day with energy, with alkalizing your body, with hydration, etc. Okay? So pay attention, because at the end of the video, I'll show you how to make it. All right, so benefit number one, it can help you lose weight, okay? It actually is great for your health. When your body is very acidic with all the foods that we eat, drinking cucumber water alkalizes your body, okay? So you want to make sure that you drink 12 ounces, like I said, every single day, hopefully in the morning, especially in the morning sometime, anywhere between 7 o'clock in the morning to noon. If you can drink it through the day, that's fine too. That's actually what I do. I make about 4 cups of that water, infused cucumber water, and then I drink it through the day. And then when it's done, I just add some other water and drink another water, which I'll show you in another video. Okay. So number 2, it lowers your blood pressure. All right. Blood pressure, as you know, is basically, it happens when your arteries are clogged. So you want to make sure that you cleanse the entire body, but the arteries need to be cleansed, all right? So to do that, you do it with alkaline water, all right? Cucumber water is excellent to cleanse your arteries and your entire body, all right? Benefit number 3, it increases bone strength, all right? Bone strength for those athletes that are very active. If you are very, very active, by the way, when you get dehydrated by working out a lot, you want to make sure that you hydrate through the day, because when you don't do that, the body actually absorbs the water from whatever it can get it from, right? So you want to make sure that you're hydrated, and cucumber is excellent, not only because it alkalizes your blood, like I said, but it also helps you, it helps the entire body with the lymphatic system, right? With the digestive system, and also with all the movements, right? Number 1, number 2, everything. So you want to make sure you're drinking it every single day. And number 4 benefits, and that one is that keeps the skin healthy. I mean, come on, who doesn't want a nice, clean, healthy skin, right? So water overall helps you with that. Cucumber water helps the skin glow. I mean, it's really amazing. Okay, so here we go. How do you make it? There you go, right here. Basically, what you want to do is you want to take a glass jar, right? You want to add 4 cups of water, right? 4 cups of water. And then you want to, hopefully warm, not warm, but lukewarm, okay? Not cold. It's not good to drink cold water anyway. So lukewarm water, and you want to add a full cucumber, about 6-7 inches, and you slice it. Basically slice it, throw it in there. Then you want to take about 1/5 of a teaspoon of sea salt, or my favorite, pink Himalayan salt. Just throw that in there, mix it up. If you have a mint leaf, it's actually really good because it gives it that little bit of a taste, and it's awesome. You can also add like half a lemon to those 4 cups of water. So half a lemon, a little bit of a mint, the cucumber, and you're done. That's it. Mix it up. It's water infused with cucumber and all goodness. And trust me, it will help you through the day. It alkalizes your body. It gives you energy. It keeps your skin healthy. It is unbelievably healthy. All right, so that's it for today. So say goodbye to Canela. Come, look at the camera. Here we go. We'll see you in the next video. Bye now.